Have you ever wanted to start an online business but felt overwhelmed by coding, website creation, and expensive hosting fees? What if I told you there's an AI tool that claims to build a complete hosting business website in less than 60 seconds? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works, what you get, and whether it's worth your money. Stay until the end, because I'll reveal the feature that caught my attention the most. Let's be honest. Starting an online business is not easy. A website, content, hosting, traffic, technical skills. Most people spend weeks or even months trying to put everything together. And many give up before they ever launch. The web hosting industry is worth billions of dollars and continues to grow every year, but entering this market traditionally requires significant time and effort. That's where AI-powered automation tools are becoming popular. GetAIHost claims to solve these problems by using AI to create ready-to-use hosting-related websites automatically. Instead of building everything manually, the software generates the site, content, and setup process for you. According to product information, the system focuses on helping users launch hosting affiliate websites with minimal technical experience. Imagine clicking a button and having a business-ready website generated for you. That's the main promise behind this platform. The process is surprisingly simple. Log into the dashboard. Choose your niche or website type. Allow the AI system to generate your website. Customize if needed. Publish and start promoting. The platform claims that much of the content creation and setup process is handled automatically by AI. Benefit number 1. Saves time. Instead of spending days building pages, AI handles much of the work. Benefit number 2. Beginner-friendly. You don't need advanced coding skills. Benefit number 3. Fast launch. You can potentially launch much faster than traditional website creation. Benefit number 4. Growing industry. Web hosting remains one of the largest and most competitive online industries. Benefit number 5. AI automation. Many repetitive tasks can be automated. Who is this for? This may be useful for affiliate marketers, side hustlers, online entrepreneurs, beginners, freelancers, agency owners. If you've been searching for a simple way to enter the online business world, this type of AI tool could be interesting. Honest review. Now let's be realistic. No software is a magic button. Success still depends on consistent traffic, marketing content quality. Audience targeting AI can speed up the process, but you'll still need to put in effort to grow your business. That's important to understand before buying any online business software. If you'd like to learn more about GetAIHost, check out the link below this video.